Good morning, dear students. We continue with the nursing process for family care. So, the planning for nursing action, goal setting, and selection of appropriate strategy. If you do a good assessment, you will make the selection of the appropriate goals and strategies. Families determine the degree of change required. Often people can easily identify their own goals. However, community health nurse has to assist in making a clear goal. So in your mind you should have a clear goal statement by achievable means. So what you are going to achieve, how you are going to achieve everything, you should be very clear about. Be sure that neither community health nurse nor families are too ambitious. Goals should be clear and concise statement. Clearly written goals give a sense of direction in how to proceed in the care of the family. This increases the self-confidence and trust and confidence of the family in you and your ability to provide the care. So the planning of nursing action. Next one is you have to formulate nursing diagnosis. Once assessment is complete, review all the data, compile the risk factors and formulate nursing diagnosis. Since assessment, it is an ongoing process. Every day you go, you will find new problems and needs. So it should be periodically reviewed, deleted and revised as per the need. It is important to look at assessment data in totality and compile as overall functioning of the health of the family. The final step of family assessment is formulation of nursing diagnosis. The nurse who practices in the community, just like those practicing in other healthcare settings, formulates nursing diagnosis based on assessment data with complete data available. She can formulate more accurate and scientific diagnosis. This forms a foundation for development of healthcare plan. Resources available will be availability of health related resources and financial resources used by family members. Sometimes families need help in identifying these resources. They may not define as broad as community health nurse can do. Discussing the family's financial status may be difficult initially, and family may be reluctant to disclose their finances to any of us. So be careful when you disclose, when you ask about the finances. Don't make much importance to it because people may not be willing to tell you about all those things. So just casually you can ask, but don't force them to answer you. Implementing the program. Implementation of nursing process in family healthcare is foundation of nursing practice. Nurse uses family healthcare process to promote the health of the families and differentiate from work within the individual events. Implementing the healthcare requires home visit. So unless and until you visit the home, you cannot practically understand what is happening. Then only you can implement. Working closely with families, community leaders, health workers and other related agencies like social welfare and educational institutions, etc. So that you can give the total care possible to the family. As the implementation process go on, it may be necessary to change or omit certain strategies according to the situation. Nurse can also facilitate the growth of the well-planned program. Family satisfaction serves as a stimulus for adding further goal. So when you find that family is satisfied, you feel like doing more and more things to the family. So more and more care you are able to give. Sometimes nurse observes the family's readiness and raises the possibility of care. Then last point is the evaluation of the program action. Evaluation is not an end to family healthcare program. It is a continuing process integrated in the other phases. The ultimate goal of family community health nurse is for the family to be self-supporting and independent in identifying the presence or absence of preventive health behavior and skills, in determining strategies and using appropriate resources. The evaluation is based on the set objectives for family. For success in evaluation, it is better to involve family in setting the objectives to bring the desired changes in the attitude. The nurse should observe for change in attitude during and after the intervention of care. If she notices the failure brings to the desired change, then she needs to go back and reset the objective, replan and re-implement the programming. Then you go to the nursing care plan. The family care plan. Family care plan is a blueprint of the care that the nurse designs to systematically minimize or eliminate the identified health and family nursing problems through explicitly formulated outcomes of care, goal and objectives, and deliberately chosen of interventions, resources and evaluation criteria, standards, methods and tools. Qualities of the nursing care plan: it should be based on clear, explicit definition of the problems. A good nursing plan is based on a comprehensive analysis of the problem situation. A good plan is realistic. The nursing care plan is prepared jointly with the family. The nurse involves the family in determining health needs and problems, in establishing priorities, in selecting appropriate course of action, implementing them and evaluating outcomes. The nursing care plan is most useful in the written form. The importance of nursing care plan and planning of care is they individualize care to the clients. The nursing care plan helps in setting priorities. So, care plan should be individualized care plan. For each one you have to make a care plan by providing information about the client as well as the nature of his problems. The nursing care plan promotes systematic communication among those involved in the healthcare front. Continuity of care is facilitated through the use of nursing care plans. Gaps and duplications in the services provided are minimized, if not totally eliminated. Nursing care plans facilitate the coordination of care by making known to other members of the health care team what the nurse is doing. Steps in developing a nursing care plan: prioritized conditions or problem based on nature of condition or problem, modifiability, preventive potential and salience. What you get through the senses. Nursing care plan: the goals and objectives of nursing care, expected outcomes, conditions to be observed to show problem is prevented, controlled, resolved or eliminated. Client responses or behavior, specific, measurable, client-centered statements and competencies. Nursing care plan: the plan of interventions decide on measures to help family eliminate barriers to performance of health tasks, underlying causes of non-performance of health tasks, family-centered alternatives to recognize, detect, monitor, control or manage health conditions or problems, determine methods of nurse families conduct, specify resources needed, the plan for evaluating criteria, outcomes based on objectives of care, methods and tools. Roles of family nursing. It is almost the same roles as that of the community health nursing. The roles of healthcare nurses are revolving around the speciality. Each healthcare setting affects roles that nurses assume with families, and many of these roles may occur in the same setting as well. First itself, she is a health teacher in the family. The family nurse teaches about family wellness, illness, relations and parenting. The teacher educator function is ongoing in all settings in both formal and informal ways. She is a coordinator, collaborator and a liaison. Deliverer and supervisor of care and technical expert. She is a family advocate. She is a consultant. She is a counselor, case finder and epidemiologist. She's an environmental modifier, clarifier, and interpreter. She's a surrogate. She's a researcher. She's a role model. She's a case manager. Thank you, dear students. So with this we complete regarding the nursing process in the family and the objectives of family health care and the roles in the nursing process.